Recently, we have seen that a lot many High Court judgments were delivered in the context of constitutional validity of Section 16(4). Notable among these are the judgments of Andhra Pradesh High Court in the case of Thirumala Konda Plywoods, Patna High Court in the case of Govinda Construction versus Union of India, and Kolkata High Court in the case of BBA Infrastructure. All these judgments have been discussed and explained in detail in my earlier videos. In all these cases, the Honorable respective High Courts have upheld the constitutional validity of Section 16(4) and held that ITC is in the nature of benefit or concession granted by the statute, which can be restricted by the statute by way of conditions including time limit to avail the same. We have been consistently following these judgments and latest updates pertaining to Section 16(4). Now, in this regard, the latest update is that the Honorable Supreme Court has admitted the SLP against Honorable Patna High Court decision in Govinda Construction's case. To recall, the Honorable High Court of Patna held that ITC is not a right. It becomes a vested right only if all the conditions prescribed for its availment have been fulfilled. Section 16(4) cannot be said to be violative of Article 300A or Article 19(1)(g). The said provision is not inconsistent with or in derogation of any of the fundamental right guaranteed under the Constitution of India. Against this judgment, the taxpayer has filed SLP before the Supreme Court and it has been admitted. The Honorable Apex Court has issued notice to the respondents which is returnable on 5th of February 2024. In view of this, judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court would be highly awaited and this judgment will be observed with keen interest. It remains to be seen how the Honorable Apex Court holds view of the constitutional validity of Section 16(4) and whether the court is inclined to interfere in the findings of the Honorable High Court. Any further update regarding this will be provided to you on this channel. So stay tuned to the Tax Express and subscribe the channel if you are not yet subscribed so that you may not miss out on latest case updates. Thank you.